Stop doing this. Start doing this. Alt plus Enter. Control plus 1. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop using merge and center. You can't filter or sort data anymore. Instead, press Alt-HAC. Choose Center Across selection. Copy and paste as necessary. Now you can sort and filter. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't draw trend lines like this. Instead, select the data. Press Ctrl-Q. Click Sparklines. Choose Line. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't waste time manually adjusting column widths. Automate it with this instead. Right-click. Go to View Code. Type in this code. Start typing away and watch the columns AutoFit. Don't split words apart like this. Instead, stop removing blanks row by row. Instead, select all of the data. Press Ctrl-G. Go to Special. Click Blanks. Click OK. Press Ctrl-. Click Entire Row. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't copy and paste data from the web like this. Instead, copy the web address. Go back to Excel. Go to the Data tab. Choose Get Data from Web. Paste the URL. Click OK. Find and select the correct table. Click Load. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't raise numbers to the power of 2 by hand. Instead, use this formula. Select the column of numbers. Type in the exponent. Like and follow for daily tips. Select the data. Press Alt-HBA. Select the data again. Control-Shift_. Select the data once more. Press Ctrl-Shift-ampersand. Like and follow for daily tips. Want to make a progress chart like this? Select the data. Go to the Insert tab. Add a donut chart. Drag the chart over and adjust the size. Delete the header and legend. Triple-click the orange portion. Change the orange filter gray fill. Go to the Format tab. Add a text box. Go to the formula bar. Type equals and click the actual percentage. Resize and center the text. Now you have a working progress chart. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't randomize teams like this. Instead, select the data. Select the data again. Select the headers. Press F9 to randomize. Like and follow for daily tips. How to make a 2025 calendar from scratch. Format the calendar area with fill colors and borders. Resize the cells. Type in the days of the week. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Choose List. Type in every month. Select January. Type in the current year. Select all and set the font size to 9. Center the weekdays. Align the other cells to the upper left. Type in this formula. Select the grid. Click More Number Formats. Click Custom. Type in a D. Click Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Enter this formula. Click Format. Choose Custom and type 3 colons. Change the months and watch the calendar auto-update. Like and follow for daily tips. Select the data. Press Alt-AE. Choose Delimited. Check comma. Select the destination. Highlight all columns. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't sum like this. It's too time-consuming. Instead, type in this formula. Change the numbers and the sum range is auto-offset. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop stretching out columns like this to read long text. Instead, press Ctrl-A. Press Alt-HW. This wraps text to the cell width. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't remove duplicates this way. Instead, Ctrl-Shift-Down. Go to the Data tab. Click Remove Duplicates. Select Current Selection and remove duplicates. Select all and press OK. 80 duplicates found and removed. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't fill blanks this way. Instead, press Ctrl-A. Press F5. Click Special. Select blanks. Type equals and press the up arrow. Press Ctrl-Enter. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't grade individual scores like this. Instead, enter this formula. Select the grade. Select the grade column. Press F4 to lock the range. Select the letters column. Press F4 again. Like and follow for daily tips. Select the data. Go to the Insert tab. Click Checkbox. Check the boxes. Type in this formula. Select the checkboxes. Drag the formula down. Change true to false. Check or uncheck boxes and watch these formulas auto-update. Don't enter dates like this anymore. Instead, select the Date column. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Add rule. Choose Is Valid Date. Double-click and select a date. Like and follow for daily tips. The wrong way to combine lists versus the right way. Easy as pie. Want to quickly compare to lists? Select both lists. Press Ctrl/. Highlight the differences. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop formatting positives and negatives like this. Instead, press Ctrl-Shift-Down, then Ctrl-1. Choose Custom. Type in this code. All of the numbers are now formatted. Don't stack arrays like this. Instead, type in VSTACK. Select each of the arrays. Like and follow for daily tips. I can't believe my coworker was doing this. So I showed him this. Don't filter names like this. Instead, type in the filter function. Select the first column. F for to lock range. Select the second column. F for to lock range. Set this equal to the header above. Drag the formula across. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop sorting alphabetically like this. Instead, type in the sort function. Select the array. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't format names like this. Instead, type lower for all lowercase. Type upper for all uppercase. Type proper for all propercase. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop rolling dice like this. Instead, do this. Bottom equals 1, top equals number of sides. Copy down. Press F9 to re-roll the dice. Like and follow for daily tips.